Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training.
Today we're going to show you how to use the Dahua Toolbox.
I'm going to show you how to use the Dahua Toolbox. That's very useful when you use a lot of Dahua cameras and NVRs. The first thing you need is to go and get the tool. I would suggest you go onto Dahua's website, and here it is here. It's dahuasecurity.com. That'll take you straight to Dahua's website. And then we need to go over to the Download Center, which is under the Support tab. And if we scroll down a bit here, we'll see a Tools menu, and in there there's something called Maintenance Tools. This is where we need to go. And here's the config tool, and here's where we need to get it. There is a Mac version of it as well, but we're going to use this one here. So click Start the Tool, and it takes you to that page. And as I said before, there's a Mac version of it if you need it. We're just going to use the Windows version. It's basically click download, and here we go. We're downloading the toolbox. Comes down as a zip file. You'll need to unzip the zip file. Let's go and navigate to the folder that it's in here. We just need to extract that. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to extract it all. Right mouse click on that little folder. Extraction wizard. We're just going to go ahead and extract it. And there we have it. We've got a folder inside there. And we'll double click. And there's the executable file that we need to run. So we're just going to run that now by double clicking it. And all we have to do now is click next, agree to some terms and conditions, and go through the install. It installs more than a few tools, the config tool being one of them, but there's a few other things in there like the disk calculator. And that's it complete. We can start the process up now. Right, when it first starts, you'll be prompted to install parts of the tool. The most important one is the config tool, so we're just going to go and install the config tool. You'll notice that we don't get the option to install any of the other items on the list. That's because we're not logged in. You have to log into the Dahua website and create an account on there to do that, but once you've done that, you can install all the other items. I also like to make that at the top of the favourites, so I'm going to put that there, and then we can go right ahead and open the config tool now. The config tool launched, it automatically detects Dahua equipment on your local network. At the minute we can see we've got an NVR on that address 192.168.1.50, and we've also got a camera which is their IPC, and that's uninitialized, so we need to sort that out now. So just all you have to do is very similar to the other tools in the market. You click initialize and give it a username and password. A dialog box to initialize the camera, or a new password in. Just going to do that now. Apply an email address if you want to protect it a little bit more, but I suggest you do, but for the purposes of this training I'm not going to. And that's it, you can initialize it. Camera's been initialized, we can finish that off.